Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. I have a new pair of glasses to show you guys. If you guys don't know by now, I'm a huge fan of glasses because I do wear them on a daily basis. And I was so happy to see Hip Optical contacting me and asking if I wanted to review one of their pairs. So I am here to do exactly that. So before I go ahead and start off with my review, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the Light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to see these beautiful high quality glasses, please keep on watching. Okay you guys, before I go ahead and start off, thank you so much to Hip Optical for contacting me and sending me one of their pairs. To be honest with you guys, when I saw their email come through, and I was really blown away because I'm very familiar with Hip Optical and their glasses are literally out of this world unique. When I say that, I mean not a lot of people ventures onto wearing some glasses like that. Some people are very discreet like myself, and I have to say when I first saw them I was like, whoa, these are definitely out of my comfort zone, but I am willing to try them and rock them because they are so cool. Let me just stop ahead and stop rambling and let's go ahead and dive into these beautiful glasses. So they come in this box. I would have to say just high quality right away, and they actually do come with a little cloth to clean your glasses, so that's always a plus for me. I mean, every glasses you buy comes with a little cloth. And this is the box. Look how high quality it is. I love the matte look, and over here it says their website, hipoptical.com. It looks like a high-end box to me, to be honest. The quality of the box is amazing. It's very sturdy. It's actually a really hard cardboard box, believe it or not. I know I'm rambling about the box, but if you guys don't know, I'm a huge packaging freak and this really gets me. So when you open it up, you actually have the little container that has the glasses inside. So this is the little container that you put the glasses in. Again, this is so high quality. And you guys, are you ready for these glasses? Are you guys ready to just see these glasses? Because trust me, when I saw them, my jaw was on the floor. Let's go ahead and show you these babies. I mean, come on. Obviously, no.
Heart attack. Oh my god, it's a heart attack.
Okay, I'm just gonna hold them because I don't want them to fall again. But look at these babies. They were super nice enough to let me choose any pair and any style from their website, and I went ahead and I chose this one. And this is how it looks like. I mean, look at this pair. You have the Hip Optical logo right here in silver, and the glasses, look at them. I feel like they are such a beautiful color. They're like a really nice marbleized kind of look, and I have to say that the quality of these, like, you guys, this is quality. Yes, it is plastic, but it's such a good quality plastic. You know, like, you see it, it's sturdy, is really high quality. Just holding it, you feel like you're really holding a high-end glasses in your hands. I mean, come on. And look at the marbling color details that this has. I mean, it's so different. Like I said, these are so colorful for me, literally out of my comfort zone, because I just wear black frames all the time, or if I want to do colored frames, then they're like thin metal frames that I really like. Very discreet. I'm a very discreet kind of girl when it comes to glasses, but these are so nice. I'm obsessed with the quality of these glasses, and they were also super nice enough to add my prescription in here, so which is always a plus for me. And they're also a blue lens, so if you guys could see, like my light is kind of reflecting blue just because it's a blue lens, so it helps with any lights. Also, if you're somebody who's constantly on the phones, constantly on a laptop, then these will definitely protect your eyes. Ooh, this is a good cloth, you guys. It cleans very well the lens. All right, moment of truth. Let's try these babies on, and I'm gonna talk about them and go into details. I mean, look at those. I look like a boss AB right now. I am so blown away with these glasses. I mean, look at them. They are so cool. Sorry about all the reflection that you see because of all the lights that I have right here, but you guys, look at these babies. Let me know, do they suit me? They're definitely big, and I do love big frames. I feel like big frames suit my face shape for some reason. I have to say that the colors of these are not kind of a color that I would wear, to be honest with you guys. Like I said, I'm very discreet. I like black frames, but I have to say these are kind of growing on me and I absolutely love them. I feel like they're such a cool statement to your outfit. I wear a lot of whites in the summer, which I really like white dresses and white tops and whatnot, and I feel like these are definitely a statement to have with your outfit. I mean, if you're somebody who's not really into accessories that much, then definitely this could be the statement accessory to your outfit. Just obsessed with them, to be honest. I'm so obsessed with them. I feel like they're really cool on. Now when it comes to quality wise and how they fit perfectly on. Obviously, I gave them measurements. There's this app that you take, it kind of measures it up, and I feel like they did a pretty good job when it comes to the measurements and the fit on my face, because I don't really need to take them in to get them fixed. Maybe just a bit, but I don't really mind that. But these are so cool. I have to say, starting with the logo here on the side, the coloring, the frame shape, the actual lenses itself, I'm just really obsessed with it. I also love the fact that they are blue light, because your girl is always on her phone, your girl is always editing videos, your girl is always on her laptop. So I love the fact that they are blue light, so they can protect my eyes, and they're definitely different from what I wear normally, but like I said, I don't mind them. They are really cool glasses and such a cool statement to have on you, you know. I have a feeling that a lot of people are gonna stop me and ask me where my glasses are from, because I get that all the time. Like I said, I love glasses and I do kind of have unique looking glasses. I literally get stopped all the time to ask me where my glasses are from. These are definitely going to be a showstopper, and people are gonna ask where did I get them from, and I'm gonna direct them right away to Hip Optical. They have so many other styles and so many other colors. If you guys are interested, check out their website. I feel like you guys are going to love their style. If you're into some really outstanding glasses, I feel like you're going to fall in love with Hip Optical. They are definitely high quality glasses. I can definitely confirm that, from the packaging to the container to the cloth to the glasses themselves. You guys, like, I'm literally blown away on how amazing they are and how the quality is so A1. I will leave all the information about Hip Optical in the description box down below. Please make sure to check it out, and also if you want to shop them, check out the link also in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoy them, and what's really fun, like I mentioned, if you have a prescription and you require a prescription, then you can definitely ask them to put the prescription in there for you. They are so easily to contact with. Their customer service is so easy to work with, so kind, and they're there to guide you with anything. And also, if you have any questions regarding anything, they'll be there for you guys to answer any inquiry that you have. I cannot stop staring at them. They're definitely a statement. I love them so much. I highly recommend them. Check out the colors and the styles that they have on their website. For sure, you guys are going to be totally blown away, like I am blown away with them. Don't forget to check out the description box down below if you want to shop Hip Optical, and also if you have any comments or concern, just leave them all in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the frames and I really hope you guys enjoyed my review. I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you later. Bye!